Hello everyone. Today's date is 7 March 2022. Myself Kalpesh Badane, and today's video topic is life journey of Sudha Murthy. The Sudha Murthy was born on 19 August in 1950. Sudha Murthy was born in Brahman family in Shigaon in Karnataka. Her father Dr. R.H. Kulkarni, who was a surgeon, and her mother Vimla Kulkarni supported to her in her childhood and raised a young Sudha along with three siblings. The Sudha Murthy, an educated atmosphere in the family, and in her passion to do something extraordinary at an early age. Sudha Murthy brother Srinivas Kulkarni is a renowned astronomer education. The Sudha Murthy's education has a major role to play in shaping her as a successful author. Even though her educational path was more technical in nature, its hard work and commitment are clear from the fact that she emerged as a topper during her bachelor and master degree. The Sudha Murthy completed his education B in electrical engineering from BVB College of Engineering in Hubli. After that, she considered the option for higher studies and went to pursue her ME in computer science in 1974 from the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and after that he received a gold medal from the Karnataka Chief Minister for topping both the final exams. Now we will discuss the career of Sudha Murthy. She has always been advocate of women's rights and a pioneer in the development of education. Once she wrote to Tata Motor, also known as Telco, about their men-only policy. After that, she became the first female engineer to be employed in India, and her position at Telco was important in redefining the company jobs policies. After that, its husband Narayana Murthy is establishing the Infosys company and giving him the initial investment. She has written a homogeneous volume of literature which includes books for kids as well. The Sudha Murthy education and relentless efforts for contributing towards the improvement in society has made her brand name. She has helped in spreading awareness about the education, public hygiene, and poverty alleviation, etc. She is an active member of the Gates Foundation. Its efforts at revolutionizing the education system of India has been phenomenal in the country, where she supports the use of computer technology in educational institutions in Karnataka. She also established the Murthy Classical Library of India at Harvard in London. The achievements of Sudha Murthy is the first achievement is Sudha Murthy's education and her work in various domains have led her with many awards. In the year 2019, in IIT Kanpur awarded he doctorate degree science in DSc. A list of After that, he achieved the after that she has received several awards and distinction for her achievements, including the R.K. Narayan Award for Literature. The Sudha Murthy Awards and accolades is in her long career. Sudha Murthy has learned a lot. Let's look at them one by one. First is India's fourth highest civilian honor, Padma Shri in 2006. Gold medal from Indian Institute of Engineers, India. Cash award for securing highest marks in SSLC. After that, he achieved the gold medal from Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri Devraj, for securing the highest marks in B in a state. So that's all about today's video topic. Thank you.